Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the DJI drone error code 1112. This error appears when users try to activate their DJI drone. The message typically shows up as DJI activation prohibited and blocks the activation process completely. As per our research, error usually means that the drone has been locked by DJI. This often happens when the drone is marked as lost, stolen, written off, or associated with a chargeback or fraudulent activity. Many users reported getting this error after buying the drone from resellers or liquidation platforms. If you purchase the drone directly from DJI or an authorized retailer, then contact DJI support immediately. Explain the issue and request a return or replacement. If the drone is verified as locked in DJI's system, they will guide you through the process. If you bought the drone from a reseller, Amazon liquidator, or any unofficial source, then contact the seller and ask for a refund. To confirm if your drone is locked, you can also reach out to DJI support for confirmation. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.